Sorry, I accidentally turned it off. So the car has a sort of a secret cutoff switch back here. So what that does is it cuts off the battery. So what I like to do is, I don't know if you can hear that, but the battery is, not the battery, the fuel pump is pumping a little bit. So I like to let it pump for about 30 seconds or so. And normally at 2 or 3 tries, when she starts us up, sometimes she starts right up on the first one. So you can see, yep, cold start. Okay, let's give it a shot. There you go. Okay, she'll, nice. Okay, all pressure's right up. Car's amazing. And again, I'm sorry, 22,199 miles.